So just strip this engine down. Pretty easy to take apart, just splits in the half horizontally. Two halves. The only thing to note is that the timing of the crank and the cam, as you can see, there's a little dot there, there's a dot on there, there's a dot on there. Oh, it's underneath that washer. Just there, if you can see that one there, little dot. So you just line them both up, this dot, like that, easy. That's it, that's how to do the timing on that.